In this video, we picked the best milling machines. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So, leave the research work up to us, save your time and energy and pick your favorite one from here. Number 5. Procon 37110. This small and beautiful unit is ideal, the accurate mill for lab, optician, jewelry, electronic and model building projects. Mill is made with a cast iron base. The vertical column and compound lathe are treated, high-quality aluminum. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. OTMT OT2213. The variable speed control and gear drive saves time when milling and drilling. The head also tilts a full 45 degrees to the left or right to give you greater control and accuracy while working. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. JET JMD 18350,018. The JMD 18 operates with a powerful O-listed, 2 HP, 1-phase, 230-volt motor that gives the tool a range of 12 spindle speeds from 15 to 3000 RPM. And to minimize delays and wait periods as you transition to different speeds, this motor is also supported by a hinged belt cover that offers faster speed changing. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Precision Matthews. Cable covered with braided nylon fiber jacket and anodized aluminum shell, which is durable and sturdier than the normal lightning cable but also flexible and tangle-free. Nylon braided jacket protects the cable from knotting and fraying. Our charger cables have been tested 5,000 plus times. It is flexible, pull resistant, softer, lighter, more durable than the normal lightning cables. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Precision Matthews PM727M. Compact, accurate, economical machine. Great for those who are looking for a compact machine for a smaller workshop, yet need the ability to take heavier cuts compared with other machines in the size range. Please check the description for details and best price.